We all remember Ariel from Disney's The Little Mermaid as a deep-sea adventurer, not just a princess. Early in the film, Ariel is often seen escaping her royal duties to explore the ocean's mysteries with her loyal fish friend, Flounder. Her fascination with shipwrecks is clear from the outset. But what if the shipwreck shown in the movie was just the tip of the iceberg? Imagine the plethora of undiscovered deep-sea treasures and lost artifacts waiting in other unexplored wrecks hidden away in Ariel's secret underwater trove. Curious about the other sunken treasures Ariel dreams of discovering? We've dived deep into oceanic lore to bring you a list of the top 6 underwater shipwrecks yet to be found. These vessels are brimming with relics, each a potential goldmine of intriguing gadgets and gizmos aplenty. These sites are not just wrecks. They are submerged time capsules, each with a story to tell, likely captivating Ariel's curiosity and maybe yours too. Stay tuned as we dive deeper and reveal some of the most enchanting shipwrecks that would undoubtedly capture Ariel's adventurous spirit. And don't miss our grand finale, where we uncover one of the most legendary shipwrecks, a sight so spectacular that even Ariel herself would be thrilled to explore. Starting us off at number 6 is the Flor de la Mar. The Flor de la Mar, a grand 16th century Portuguese galleon, is known as the richest vessel ever lost at sea. Esteemed as one of the most magnificent ships of its era, it sailed the Indian Ocean before its condition began to deteriorate. Despite needing urgent repairs, the ship was tasked with a critical role in the Portuguese conquest of Malacca, present-day Malaysia, in 1511. Tragically, on its return voyage laden with an immense treasure trove destined for the Portuguese crown, rumored to be worth over $2 billion today, the Flor de la Mar succumbed to a fierce storm and sank off the coast of Sumatra. The ship's legendary cargo has ignited the imaginations of treasure hunters who have invested millions in search of its elusive wreck. To this day, the Flor de la Mar remains lost, its vast riches unclaimed and shrouded in mystery, continuing to allure adventurers and historians alike with the promise of undiscovered wealth beneath the waves. Could Ariel, our favorite deep-sea explorer, hold the key to the Flor de la Mar's riches? Legend has it, this mermaid's trove might harbor more than just gadgets and gizmos, perhaps even clues to history's greatest maritime treasure. Not far behind at number 5 is a vessel so renowned it derives its name from monarchs. The Merchant Royal, dubbed the El Dorado of the Seas, was a notable English galleon from the early 17th century, weighing in at 700 tons. Under the command of Captain John Limbry, this illustrious vessel engaged in extensive trade with the New World colonies. On one fateful journey, after trading extensively, the ship made a crucial stop in Cadiz, Spain, for essential repairs. During this layover, Captain Limbry seized a lucrative opportunity presented by the Spanish authorities. He agreed to transport a vast treasure intended to finance 30,000 troops stationed in Antwerp, Belgium. This decision loaded the Merchant Royal with one of the most valuable cargoes of its time, including immense quantities of gold, silver, and precious gems. The immense value and historical significance of this treasure have sparked interest and intrigue among historians and treasure hunters alike, leading to numerous expeditions in search of the lost galleon. Yet, despite these efforts, the whereabouts of the Merchant Royal and its legendary treasure remain one of the maritime world's most elusive mysteries. Could Ariel, the adventurous mermaid, hold the key to the elusive Merchant Royal? Rumor has it, she's been spotted near the treasure's whispered coordinates, perhaps adding the lost riches of the El Dorado of the Seas to her collection of undersea relics. In the middle, at number 4, is the Santa Maria. When the Italian explorer Christopher Columbus embarked on his seminal 1492 voyage to the Americas, he commanded a fleet of 3 ships, the Niña, the Pinta, and his flagship, the Santa Maria. The largest of the trio, the Santa Maria, was where Columbus himself sailed. However, its journey met an unexpected end. The tale unfolds on Christmas Eve of 1492. The sailor tasked with steering the vessel chose an ill-fated moment for rest, entrusting the helm to a cabin boy, contrary to maritime regulations. The inexperienced boy, overwhelmed by the responsibility, inadvertently ran the ship aground near modern-day Haiti. In a desperate bid to salvage anything of value, Columbus and his crew stripped the ship before abandoning it. And by the next day, the Santa Maria sank into the Caribbean's blue depths. The exact location of the Santa Maria's watery grave remains unknown, fueling the imaginations and ambitions of treasure hunters and historians alike. The ship's discovery would not only be a treasure trove of artifacts, but also a monumental find of great historical importance, offering insights into the very voyage that connected the old world with the new. Could Ariel, our adventurous mermaid, be swimming silently over the Santa Maria's secrets? Perhaps beneath the Caribbean waves, she knows precisely where Columbus's flagship rests, guarding its story and the echoes of 1492 within her underwater realm. What tales she could tell, if only she spoke of such deep-sea secrets. Number 3. The 1715 Treasure Fleet. In the sultry summer of 1715, a fleet of 11 majestic Spanish galleons, heavily laden with a vast wealth of treasure from the Americas, embarked on a homeward voyage from Havana, Cuba. These ships, brimming with gold, silver, and precious jewels, were bound for Spain. There holds a testament to the prosperous trade between the New World and the Old. However, their journey was cut tragically short. Merely days after setting sail, the fleet encountered a ferocious hurricane off the coast of Florida. The storm's overwhelming force was catastrophic, causing all 11 ships to succumb to the raging seas. Over 1,000 souls perished in the watery depths, a grim testament to the perilous nature of maritime travel in the age of sail. The aftermath of the disaster saw a frenzied rush to the site by other ships, including those operated by pirates and privateers. Attracted by the promise of untold riches, they converged on the wreckage, eager to salvage whatever treasures they could from the sunken fleet. Today, more than 300 years later, the 1715 fleet still captivates treasure hunters and historians alike. The wreck sites have become submerged time capsules, continually yielding relics and artifacts. Divers exploring these underwater grave sites have recovered coins, jewelry, and other remnants of the lost cargo. Even now, after centuries, the shifting sands occasionally relinquish pieces of eight and other treasures onto the shores of Florida, sparking the imaginations of those who walk the beaches. Could Ariel, the adventurous mermaid, hold the secrets to the 1715 fleet's final resting places? Imagine her, navigating through underwater ruins, guided by tales passed down through generations of sea creatures. Perhaps she swims silently over the submerged treasures, keeping their locations a mystery, known only to the ocean's depths. We're almost there to reveal the top unfound shipwreck that Ariel would love to plunder. Runner-up, at number 2, the RMS Republic. The RMS Republic, a steam-powered ocean liner constructed in Belfast in 1903, is remembered as the millionaire's ship for its affluent passengers. Operated by the White Star Line, the same company behind the ill-fated Titanic, the RMS Republic met its own tragic fate in 1909. Just 3 years before the Titanic's demise, it sank near Nantucket, Massachusetts, after colliding with another vessel amid dense fog. While the disaster claimed 6 lives, heroic efforts saved around 1,500 people. This vessel was not just a luxurious means of transport, it was rumored to be carrying a considerable fortune. At the time of its sinking, the RMS Republic was believed to be transporting American gold coins valued at $250,000, along with potentially $3 million in other coinage. In today's terms, this treasure could be worth over $1 billion. The allure of this lost wealth continues to captivate treasure hunters and historians alike. Although the wreck of the RMS Republic was located in 1981, the anticipated treasure trove was not found. Despite this, many enthusiasts and experts still hold out hope that the ship's vaults remain intact, concealing the vast riches somewhere within the deep, waiting to be discovered. Amidst these legends of lost wealth, Ariel's curiosity might lead her to the RMS Republic's sunken secrets. Her love for undersea treasures could turn the millionaire's ship into her ultimate exploration, seeking the hidden vaults whispered to still hold riches beyond measure deep beneath the waves. And finally, at number 1, the Cinco Chagas. In 1594, during the fierce Battle of Fayal Island in the Anglo-Spanish War, the Portuguese ocean-going vessel Cinco Chagas met its watery grave. This historical event unfolded around Fayal Island, a picturesque locale in the Azores archipelago, under Portuguese dominion, situated in the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Legend has it that when the Cinco Chagas sank, it was laden with an immense fortune. The hold purportedly contained 2,000 tons of treasure, including 22 chests brimming with a king's ransom in diamonds, rubies, and pearls. The speculated value of this lost treasure is astronomical, with modern assessments suggesting it could be worth over $1 billion today. This has fueled relentless quests by treasure hunters driven by the allure of such wealth. However, despite their best efforts, the wreckage of the Cinco Chagas continues to elude discovery. The primary challenge hindering these expeditions is the daunting depth at which the ship is believed to lie submerged. The ocean's depths conceal the Cinco Chagas, keeping its secrets and riches beyond the reach of those who seek them, wrapped in the mystery of the deep sea. Thank you for joining us along our journey of the tales of lost treasures and sunken ships like the Cinco Chagas. One can only imagine if Ariel, the adventurous mermaid from Disney's The Little Mermaid, knows the true whereabouts of these hidden gems. With her love for exploring the ocean's depths and collecting underwater treasures, perhaps she's already swum past these legendary riches. If Ariel's tales have sparked your curiosity and you crave more enchanting underwater mysteries, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Dive into our next video for more incredible stories from beneath the waves. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring with us.